The thing I love most about Descript is that it's replaced what previously would have required 10 plus different softwares. Here at Descript Mastery, I use Descript 100% from end to end in creating all of our videos and course content. Gone are the days of juggling a bunch of different applications for transcription, audio editing, video editing, screen recording, remote recording, and tons more. I could go on and on. With Descript, everything is streamlined into this one simple, powerful interface. Here's what we don't need because we use Descript. Any third-party sharing and collaboration tools. I no longer need Frame.io, Loom, or even Vimeo. If I need to share a project with a client to get feedback or even send a quick recording to show a client something, I just generate a web link using Descript. No need for any other tool. Stock media. I don't need a subscription to Shutterstock or Unsplash or Epidemic Sounds to get stock media. Descript has it all built in. Transcription tools. I don't need to use Otter or Transcribe Me or any other third-party transcription tools. Descript automatically starts transcribing your video and audio as soon as you add it to your project. AI voice tools. I don't need 11 Labs or Synthesia or anything else. Descript has that all built in. You can type words in and convert it to speech using Descript stock AI voices. Or you can train it on your own voice and have it turn text to speech using your voice. Screen recording. Descript eliminates the need for dedicated screen recording tools like Camtasia or OBS. You can record your screen, your webcam, and your audio directly using Descript. Remote recording. Last year, Descript acquired Squadcast, which makes it easy to record interviews or podcasts with guests from anywhere in the world. And it means you don't need a Riverside or Zoom account. Audio and video editing. Say goodbye to traditional video editing software like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve. Descript combines audio and video editing into one seamless experience. You can edit your clips, add transitions, adjust audio levels, and all that stuff that you can do with any other software, all within the same interface. AI script and show notes. Descript has ChatGPT built into it. You can use it to generate scripts, outlines, and add show notes for your content. And it even helps you edit. You can use it to find filler words like ums and uhs and remove all of those with the click of a button. Audio restoration. No more relying on specialized audio restoration tools like Isotope RX or Adobe Audition. Descript's built-in audio restoration tools can remove background noise, room tone, and other unwanted audio artifacts with just a few clicks. Now, I've said it before, but Descript is the jack of all trades, master of none. I'm not claiming that it's as good in any particular category as any of the tools I've mentioned, but it's 80% as good in every category. And for those who are looking for simplicity and speed, Descript is awesome. If you're not already using Descript, you can get started for free, and I'll leave my affiliate link in the description.